Hello guys, welcome to Netception, and today we are going to have a very important video to show you guys. So this is India's new app Aarogya Setu, which means in Sanskrit a bridge of health. So what is this? This has been launched by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. This was a beta app for some time, but now this is the final version, and I request everyone to please stay at home, but definitely download this app. So why? This app will help you into tracking coronavirus cases. If someone is affected and coronavirus positive around you, this app will tell you that you are nearby someone who has been affected by that. So how should we use this app? So I'll show you this. The major problem with this app is that if you search this name like Aarogya Setu, this won't come up for some reasons. So I'm going to give you the download link in the description below. So let's download it right now. I'm going to fast forward it, okay? If when I need to. The downloading was fast. So we'll open it. There are many different languages you can select from. I'll choose English for everyone to understand. They can say like each of us has the power to help prevent the spread of coronavirus pandemic in India. Would you like to be kept informed? Of course I do. So this is actually showing like how Aarogya Setu is helping. If you turn on your Bluetooth and location, it will generate a social graph, your interaction with someone who have tested positive. So please install it and turn on your Bluetooth and location and internet all the time. And you will be alerted if you are someone like if I am positive with coronavirus COVID-19 and if you are near me, this app will tell you that I am positive to that. So let's register. So for register, I have to give you my phone number. So let's do it. Let's allow everything. I'm not going to show you my phone number. Okay. An OTP will come. I hope it comes up quickly. Oh, it, it's quite fast actually. Okay, I agree to everything. So as you can see, I have already registered it before, but if you are going to register for the first time, they'll actually give you an option to register your name. If you have visited any country, please tell the truth. Don't be like Kanika Kapoor. And then you can just keep on using the app. And you can see I am safe right now. It's probably no one has downloaded the app till now, but I'm still safe at the moment. There are all the help centers number. I'm in West Bengal, so this is the number. You can also self-assessment your test, like what's my gender, what's my age and everything. They'll give you an idea. They'll give you an idea whether you have it or not, but it's all like a test. It's not a confirmed thing, but that's it. Please share it with your friends on WhatsApp. Please share something useful for once. So that's it. That's the video, and you can also change the location and everything. You can click it into Hindi, but definitely install this app. This will help you and help Indians everywhere. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more important videos like this. Take care.